Vitamin C products made of pure ascorbic acid is the only high potent and effective form of vitamin C than any other derivatives. But unfortunately, it's unstable and we need to make it stable to get the full benefits of its antioxidant, anti-pigmentation and anti-aging properties. So it's very important to choose a vitamin C product that is highly potent and stable as well. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 best vitamin C products that are formulated with gold standard pure ascorbic acid while restoring its high stability form. Also, make sure to check out my bonus tip at the end of the video. So, are you excited to know those products? Let's get into the video. And before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hello beauty, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashika and I'm all about skincare, hair care and passionate about addressing and resolving pigmentation, acne and even skin tone, hair fall, hair thinning and much more with properly formulated products. And this channel is all about letting you know what you actually needed for the glowing skin and healthy hair. So if you're madly into skincare and love exploring huge range of products, or you are just a beginner and don't know what is skincare, how to do or where to start, then consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon to not miss any of my informative videos. Also, if you like anyone in the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries or doubts, feel free to comment below. And if you're facing any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and wanna try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. Here are the 8 best highly potent and effective vitamin C products. Paula's Choice Boost C25 Super Booster. It is a cream-based product and it has 25% of vitamin C. If you are a beginner, start using it on dark spots, and if you can tolerate the product, you can use it on your entire face. And the method of application varies a bit. So check out how to apply this vitamin C cream from their official website. Skin Cuticles CE Ferulic Acid Serum. It has 15% of vitamin C and this has made to be highly stable as much as possible. It helps in protecting from environmental pollution and UV rays when coupled with sunscreen. And also it works on fine lines and wrinkles in the long run. Next product is Matriderm Photo Age Ampules. It has 15% of vitamin C and it's highly effective for fading out acne marks. And it's excellent for those who want to add vitamin C for anti-aging purpose. Also, it's perfect for oily skin types too. And the main thing with this product is they are coming in ampules form, so the oxidation of vitamin C is almost rare. Next product is Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. It comes in a serum form which has 15% of vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. And this claims to work on fine lines, wrinkles, evening out your skin tone and helps retain your moisture level as well. Next product is Vitamin C Enhanced 25 Serum. It has 25% of high percentage vitamin C. It is excellent for reducing acne marks but usually not recommended for beginners. But keep in mind it is a small product when compared to others in the list. Next product is Timeless Vitamin C Serum, which has vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid, and it is perfect to use with sunscreen to protect from sun damage. Next product is CeraVe Vitamin C Serum, which has 10% vitamin C, 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. And this claim to visibly brighten the complexion and promote more even skin tone, antioxidant properties while helping restore your skin barrier as well. Next one is La Roche-Posay C10 Serum, which has 10% vitamin C, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It claims to boost radiance and make softer and hydrated skin. So have you tried any of this product? If so, share your experience in the comment section below. I'd be more glad to know that, and it might also be helpful for others. Here is my bonus tip. If you feel more than 10% of ascorbic acid causes irritation or any other issues, then you might start with a lower percentage before going for the higher one. If you're still unclear about what is the right vitamin C product for your skin concerns, then it's time to seek professional help. SkinOreal is there to help you find right and effective vitamin C product according to your skin type and skin concerns. Not only that, they will also help you design personalized and effective skincare routine. If you want to know more about them, check out the first link in the description box below. I hope you find this video helpful and got some value out of it. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. Also, if you want more like this video, click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified each time when I upload a video. Like I said before, if you have any hyperpigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. And thanks for patiently watching my video. I will see you soon with another interesting and informative video on skincare. Until then, bye from Ashika.